Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. In this video we are drawing different animals and different drawings like snail, cow, frog, fish, bird and cat. So they are super simple. Let's start from the light green color. So you need a paper and pencil. So before starting this video you just go and bring a paper and a marker or pencil. So you have to do the same practice. The easier job is we are drawing a snail. So first of all we have to draw a circle. You can just make it with pencil first and then you can use colors. So in the second step draw the circle and then the body part like this. And now we will make the eyes. Again the circle. So you can just repeat all in one step, one by one. This is a snail. And these are eyes. And now in the last step, we have to just draw the circle again. Now, completing the eyes, so I will use black color. This is black color. And now this portion. Wow, our snail is just completed. Let's move to another color, that is sky blue color. To draw a cow, we have to draw a circle. And then in the second step, the ears, eyes, and the dark spots in the eyes like this with black color. And now in the third step, again the circle, the horns, ears, eyes. Now you can see black color. So here we have just an extra, these two, the horns. In the last step we have to just complete the cow. Wow, that's so easy. Are you drawing the ears, horns, eyes? Now the mouth part. This is the nose. Let's make it okay now. The eyes. Wow, we have just drawn a cow. It's super easy. Now let's change another color. That's a dark green color. So we are just drawing a green frog. One circle. The ears. Oh, these are eyes. Again the circle. The third step. Now completing the eyes, so just make it with this color. And now the mouth, the nose, and here the remaining body. So we are just drawing a frog. Here you can see now the legs. Wow, our frog is just complete. Let's move to another one, that is a fish. Changing the color to purple. Here is the purple color. Another circle. Now in the same circle you can just make changes one by one. This is the mouth. Here, third step, we have to just move to the other part. The eyes and the mouth. And the last part here you can see another circle. So this is the tail. And this is the mouth. So this is our fish. Let's move to the brown color. We are drawing a bird. Another circle. In this circle we are drawing the eyes. And here the wings and the ears. Eyes. Let's make it black. And now the wings. And now in this last part we will just draw the beak and the legs. Here are the eyes. Now it is with black color. Let's draw the ears, the beak, and these are the legs. Hope you can draw it. It is super easy. So we have just drawn a bird. The last one is Kate. So let us draw it with the sky blue color. The last one, Kate, circle. In the circle, draw another circle, smaller circle. The ears. And now moving to the here we will just draw the ears, the eyes. Let me use black color. And now after that, in the last part, so we are just completing the kite. So here it is. This is the kite. I hope you will like this video, and you will also do the same practice, dear kids. So like this video, share it with your friends, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.